Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are thrilled to present the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop, featuring a stunning 17.3-inch FHD display and powered by the impressive AMD Ryzen 5 5625U processor with 6 cores, surpassing the performance of an i7-1255U. With its remarkable 24GB RAM and lightning-fast 1TB SSD, this laptop offers exceptional speed and storage capacity. Immerse yourself in smooth graphics and visuals, thanks to the AMD Radeon Vega 7 graphics, which deliver stunning image quality and seamless video playback. The built-in fingerprint reader ensures enhanced security and convenience, while the Wi-Fi 6 technology provides ultra-fast and reliable connectivity. This laptop comes with the latest Windows 11 Home operating system, offering a user-friendly interface and a host of new features. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is designed to meet your computing needs with style and performance. Join us as we unbox and review the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop, providing an in-depth analysis of its key features, performance, and overall user experience. We'll share our honest opinions and highlight the pros and cons of this impressive device. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews and unboxing videos. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to assist you.